From the moment your smartphone wakes you with a personalized alarm to the curated movie recommendations you receive on Netflix, AI is subtly woven into our daily routines. It powers the spam filters that protect our inboxes, the voice assistants that answer our queries, and the navigation systems that guide us. AI is a present reality, enhancing our lives in countless ways. Consider the ease with which you unlock your phone with facial recognition, or the personalized advertisements on your social media feeds. These are powered by sophisticated AI algorithms. AI is automating tasks and personalizing experiences. Its impact is transforming industries from healthcare to finance. Understanding AI is crucial for staying informed in an AI-driven world. Engage with AI thoughtfully and critically. Understand how AI systems work and their biases. Ensure they are used responsibly and ethically. The future of AI is being written now, and we all have a role to play. By demystifying AI, we can empower individuals to embrace its potential while mitigating its risks. The term artificial intelligence often conjures up images of sentient robots and futuristic dystopias. However, the reality of AI is far more nuanced and less sensationalized. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and understanding language. AI is not about replicating human consciousness or creating artificial beings. It's about developing systems that can augment human capabilities and solve complex problems. These systems can range from simple algorithms that recommend products to sophisticated neural networks that can diagnose diseases. The key is the ability to learn and adapt, to improve performance over time, without explicit programming for every scenario. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and advancements emerging at a rapid pace. By breaking down AI into its core components and exploring its practical applications, we can begin to appreciate its potential and understand its limitations. This knowledge is essential for navigating the rapidly changing technological landscape and participating in the ongoing conversation about the role of AI in our lives. The rapid advancement of AI can feel overwhelming, leading many to believe that understanding it requires advanced technical expertise. This perception can create a barrier, preventing individuals from engaging with the topic and exploring its potential. However, grasping the basics of AI is more accessible than one might think. It's about understanding the core concepts and principles, not necessarily the intricate mathematical algorithms that power them. Just as you don't need to be a mechanic to drive a car, you don't need to be a computer scientist to understand AI. This essay aims to break down complex concepts into digestible pieces, using relatable analogies and real-world examples to illustrate key ideas. The goal is to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the world of AI without feeling intimidated by its technical complexities. We'll explore the fundamental principles in a way that is both informative and engaging. By the end of this essay, you'll have a solid foundation in the fundamental principles of AI, empowering you to engage with this transformative technology with confidence and understanding. The journey to understanding AI begins with a single step, and this essay is designed to help you take that first step with confidence. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic human intelligence. This includes tasks such as learning from experience, adapting to new information, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. It's about creating systems that can perform tasks that typically require human cognitive abilities. These systems can range from simple algorithms that filter spam emails to complex neural networks that analyze medical images. AI can be broadly categorized into two main types: narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as playing chess, recommending products, or translating languages. It excels in its designated area, but lacks the ability to generalize its knowledge to other domains. Most of the AI we encounter in our daily lives, from Siri to self-driving cars, falls under this category. General AI, on the other hand, represents a hypothetical form of AI that possesses human-level intelligence and can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. While general AI remains a distant prospect, it is a significant area of research and speculation within the field of artificial intelligence. The distinction between narrow and general AI is crucial for understanding the current state and future potential of artificial intelligence. Machine learning, a subset of AI, focuses on enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Instead of relying on predefined rules, machine learning algorithms identify patterns in data and use these patterns to make predictions or decisions. Imagine teaching a dog a trick. You don't give it a detailed set of instructions. Instead, you reward desired behaviors, and the dog learns through trial and error. Similarly, machine learning algorithms learn by analyzing data and adjusting their internal parameters to improve their performance over time. Neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, are a powerful type of machine learning algorithm. They consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, organized in layers. These networks process information by passing it through the layers, with each layer extracting increasingly complex features from the data. Think of it like a complex filter system, where each layer removes impurities and refines the output. This layered structure allows neural networks to learn complex patterns and relationships in data. The combination of machine learning and neural networks is driving many of the most exciting advancements in AI. Understanding the basic principles of machine learning and neural networks is key to appreciating the power and potential of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It's permeating every aspect of our lives, often without us even realizing it. Consider the personalized recommendations you receive on Netflix or Spotify. These are powered by sophisticated AI algorithms that analyze your viewing and listening habits to suggest content you might enjoy. Self-driving cars, perhaps the most visible manifestation of AI, are rapidly transforming the automotive industry. These vehicles utilize a complex array of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make driving decisions. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation, making it safer, more efficient, and more accessible. In the field of healthcare, AI is making groundbreaking advancements in disease diagnosis and treatment. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images such as X-rays and CT scans to detect subtle anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. From finance to education, from manufacturing to entertainment, AI is disrupting industries and shaping our future. As AI technology continues to evolve, its applications will only become more diverse and transformative, impacting every aspect of our lives. One of the most groundbreaking applications of AI is in the field of medical imaging. AI algorithms can analyze medical scans with remarkable accuracy, often surpassing human experts in detecting subtle abnormalities that might indicate the presence of disease. This can lead to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, particularly in areas like cancer detection, where early intervention can be critical. AI is also being used to develop personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their unique genetic makeup and medical history. This approach promises to improve treatment outcomes and reduce adverse effects by ensuring that patients receive the most effective therapies for their specific conditions. Drug discovery is another area where AI is making significant strides. AI can accelerate this process by identifying promising drug candidates and predicting their efficacy, significantly reducing the time and cost involved in bringing new treatments to market. These groundbreaking advancements demonstrate the transformative potential of AI in healthcare. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on healthcare will only become more profound, leading to improved patient outcomes and a healthier future for all. The future of AI is filled with immense promise and potential challenges. AI will reshape industries, transform economies, and redefine how we live and work. It brings opportunities for innovation, from automating tasks to solving global challenges. Ensuring AI benefits are shared equitably is a key challenge. AI-powered automation risks job displacement and economic inequality. Investing in education and training is essential. We need policies for responsible AI development and deployment. Ethical implications of AI are critical. By fostering responsible innovation, we can create a more equitable future. The AI revolution is upon us, and it's transforming our world in profound ways. From the smartphones in our pockets to the algorithms that power our online experiences, AI is already an integral part of our daily lives. Understanding the basics of AI is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for navigating the complexities of the modern world and participating in the ongoing conversation about the future of technology. This essay has provided a foundational understanding of key AI concepts, empowering you to engage with this transformative technology with confidence and curiosity. As we've explored, AI is not just about robots and science fiction. It's about creating intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and solve problems. It's about leveraging the power of data and algorithms to enhance human capabilities and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. From healthcare to transportation, from finance to education, AI is revolutionizing industries and shaping our future in ways we are only beginning to understand. The potential of AI is vast, and its impact on our lives will only continue to grow. The journey of understanding AI is an ongoing one, and I invite you to join me in exploring the vast and ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence.